In this video, we're gonna look at a property in Nanaimo. It's located at 20 Barsby Avenue. Um, 349,900 for a one bed, one bath, 540 square foot condo. So first, we're gonna look at the pictures. It's a fairly new building. This is built in 2021. We're gonna look at the features later on, but we're just scanning through the interior of the condo. There's the in-suite laundry. There's the common hallways, entrance, and mailbox. That's the exterior of the building entrance. That's the park that is close by the building, a nature park, and a trail. That's the underground parking and the floor plan. I want to zoom the floor plan so you can see better. That's the outside of the building. Okay, let's look at the floor plan. Yeah, okay, there's the floor plan. The primary bedroom is 11 by 8. Living room is 11 by 10. Kitchen is 8 by 8. And you can see the washer dryer and the 4-piece bathroom with a walk-in closet. So I have to zoom so you can see the actual sizes. There's the deck, 6 by 4. Okay. Now let's go back to the features of the property. Okay. There it is. You can see the exact address. Nanaimo, Old City. And that's the description of the home. The name of the place is called Riverstone Place. Built in 2021. 540 square feet with 9-foot ceilings. European style kitchen with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, island seating, in-suite laundry, and closet, low strata monthly fees. We'll look at the strata fees later on. It allows pet, it has a bike storage, and an on-site electric vehicle car sharing program. It's walking distance to the Maffeo Sutton Park, the Seawall, and Nanaimo downtown, close to uh, restaurants, pubs, and bus routes. As well, the Seaplane terminal and the new Hullo Ferry are close by. Okay, let's look at the home facts. There's your uh, taxes as of 2023, $2,329. Strata fee is $174 per month. Condo is 4 years old, built in 2021, fairly new, with baseboard heating. There's a marina nearby as well. Appliances includes dishwasher, fridge, stove, washer, dryer. That's the name of the agent. And it's 39 days in the market. Building information. Building is surrounded by trees, ocean, nearby parks and biking trails, close to the downtown area. It's got 90 units and 6 floors. The developer is Platinum Group of Companies. Um, there's your estimate monthly payments for my mortgage. Assuming a down payment of 5%, 25 years amortization, interest rate of 4.49%. That's the estimated monthly payments for this property. Let's look at the schools nearby. Fairview School, Nanaimo District Secondary School. Shows you how many kilometers they are from the building. Paul and Hearer Elementary School, Discovery Montessori School, Quarterway School, High School at Vancouver Island University, just 2.34 kilometers. John Barsby Community School and the Nanaimo Christian School. Assessment of the property. Let's look at it. That was the assessment as of 2022. It was $399, and in 2021 it's $347. Sales history of this property. It was sold in 2021 for $254,000. Okay. Yeah. So that's it for this video. And if you wanted to check out this property, there's how I found it at rew.ca, rew.ca.